So, guys, I wish I had ice cream. Me too, dude. Oh my God! You guys hear that? It sounds like an ice cream truck. You guys hear that? It sounds like an ice cream truck.
I don't hear anything.
Guys, I can't believe it!
A freaking ice cream truck is so fucking cool. What's so cool?
Oh, they better have hard drugs, bro.
Yes, yes.
Hey guys, Jeffy, how'd you get an ice cream truck?
Where are you, kids?
I got the fucker's head. Oh, hey, Jeffy, have you seen my sexy son, Jeffy? You're a pedophile. I think they're outside in the ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Hey, Daddy, I got the fucker's head. You hit the mailbox, you're so sexy. I'm out this bitch. Oh man, I love sucking it, Cody. I love sucking it, man. I wish I had hard drugs, bro.
It smells like cheese and ass. Yeah. Like man.
Oh man, my stomach hurts really bad. I think I'm sick. My stomach's killing me. I gotta use the bathroom. Oh my God. I need to go to the bathroom. Oh God.
Hey, somebody call a doctor?
Don't do drugs. Just then, wait a minute. My stomach hurts so bad.
Now, what'd you eat?
I ate some of my ninjas.
I have some bad mother effing ice cream. Wait a minute. Oh my God! Oh,
Jeffy, what's in this?
diarrhea.
Bone apple titties.
Yeah, you're fucked up. You're fucked up.